Very good morning to everyone. Okay, let's wait 1 or 2 minutes. Everybody will join. Okay. So, guys, have you completed your lab annuals? Yes. This is V batch now. We have done some basic scripts, and uh, today we will going to do if else. Okay. We have done some basic. We have started with the shell scripts now, and you have done some basics of shell scripting, right? In the last session, if you remember, we have started with the shell scripts and some of the basic shell scripts like basic operators you have performed, and then you have performed some like take the how to take the input from the user and how to display the output to the user. Have you performed swapping of two numbers? No, na? You have not performed swapping of two numbers in the last session. So first of all, I'm giving you 10 minutes here to perform a script, write a shell script to perform swapping of two numbers using third variable and without using third variable. Do it. Write a script. I'm giving you here. Do it. I'm giving you 10 minutes only for writing the script. Do it, guys. Write a shell script. Perform swapping. Do you know the logic of swapping of two numbers? Then we will go for the if else part with using with and without using third variable. Do it. Yes, guys, do you know swapping of two numbers? The logic? Everyone? Okay. Do it. I'm giving you 10 minutes here. After that, I will check everybody's screen. Complete the script within 10 minutes. Then we will start with if else. Manish is saying no, ma'am. So, Manish, this is a very basic logic we are having. I'm just give you a here idea how to swap, how to use a swapping. Swapping means you are exchanging two numbers. Like if I am entering a is equals to 1 and I gave b is equals to 2, then output should be a is equals to 2 and b is equals to 1. This is known as swapping. Fine. So how to perform this? कैसे perform करते हैं? हमें क्या करते हैं? एक टेम्परेरी वेरिएबल लेते हैं. टेम्परेरी वेरिएबल में सबसे पहले ए की वैल्यू स्टोर कराते हैं. फिर ए में बी की वैल्यू चेंज कर देते हैं और बी में टेम्परेरी वेरिएबल की वैल्यू स्टोर करा देते हैं. दिस इज how we can perform swapping with using third variable, that is the temporary variable I am taking. तो मान लेते हैं टेम्परेरी पहले 0 था, ए की वैल्यू 1 थी, तो यहाँ पे टेम्प की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी 1. डन. यहाँ पर ए और बी की वैल्यू, ए की वैल्यू क्या है ऑलरेडी 1 है और बी की वैल्यू क्या है 2 है. तो बी की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, यहाँ पर ए की वैल्यू में हमने क्या असाइन किया बी की वैल्यू, तो बी की वैल्यू क्या थी 2. यहाँ पर ए की वैल्यू क्या हो गई 2 हो गई. अब यहाँ पर बी में हम क्या कौन सी वैल्यू डलवा रहे हैं टेम्परेरी. टेम्परेरी में वैल्यू क्या है 1, तो बी में क्या वैल्यू आ जाएगी 1. So this is what we want after swapping. Then you will print A and B. Is it okay, Manish? Yes, do it now, everyone. Jay Shankar, can we write in VS Code? If you are having VS Code in your system and you can open Bash terminal in VS Code, you can write it in VS Code as well. Yes, who have done? Yes, guys, have you done with the script? Or you are still doing? One student is saying yes. Rajesh, show me your screen.
Hello, madam.
Whosoever is doing, do it fast. You are having 2 or 3 minutes more. You are not connected through your laptop, Rajesh. Connect through your laptop, बच्चे. There, show me your screen. At least in lab sessions. Okay, okay. Yes, yes, visible, visible. Done. Is it working? Okay, great. Then show me your screen. Guys, if possible, then in lab session, at least you may connect via your laptops only. After swapping, so this is without using third variable, na? Yes, done. Whosoever is doing, do it fast. Then we will go for the if else, how to use if else in the scripts. Yes, Jay Shankar, show me your screen. After Jay Shankar, Lisa, show me your screen. Yes, this is after swapping numbers using this by using temporary variable, huh? And without using temporary variable, which have you done that?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Jay Shankar. Yes, Lisa, you will show me your screen. What happened, Lisa?
Ma'am, I'm connecting with the laptop.
Okay.
Just a minute.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, can you see?
Yes.
Ma'am, is it done?
Yes, Jay Shankar. Okay. Done, Jay Shankar. Manish, show me your screen. After Manish, Anand, show me your screen.
Is it visible, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Mm,
Swapping first number, second number, and after swap. Okay. Done, बच्चे.
done, ma'am.
Done. Yes.
Thank you.
Anand, show me your screen. This is after swapping second. Okay. Done, Anand. Okay. So, guys, I think we have done with the script. So we are going to start with if-else syntax, how to use if-else statement in scripts. So first of all, if-else is a conditional statement. We all know that when we are using conditional statements, when we are using conditional statement, in which situation conditional statement we are using when we need to check any condition. At that time, we require conditional statements. So if else, we know that is a conditional statement, right? Like if I, yes, correct, Nidhi. If I want to check a given number is a positive number or a negative number, either if I want to check a given number is an even number or odd number. So at that time when I need to check some condition, in that situation we are using if statement, right? So if else statement, if you know about if and else, if is a statement which can be used individually, independently, but else can be only used with if, else we cannot use individually. ठीक है? तो if और else का बेसिक सिंटेक्स क्या है, पहले मैं आपको वो बता देती हूँ, फिर हम स्क्रिप्ट्स में कैसे यूज करते हैं वो देखते हैं. We are using if with some condition, right? If that condition is true, some set of statements will execute. This is how if work. And if that statement is not true, we are using a otherwise statement, that is else statement, that statement will execute. This is how if else work, right? We are giving some condition here. If this condition is true, what I'm saying here is, if this condition is true, if else, if part will execute, otherwise else part will execute, right? If we are not going to use else part, it will not execute anything after if the condition is false, nothing will be displayed to it. So we are using a else part so that otherwise statement will execute over there. So let me show you some syntax and how to use if else in the scripts. For example, I'm checking here a given number is a positive number or a negative number, right? I'm writing here to check, I'm writing a script to check a given number is positive or negative, right? So I'm writing here, first of all, user will enter a number. So I'm writing enter any number. Fine, I'm writing here. Enter any number. So user will enter a number. I will read that number A, or I am reading a number NUM. Right? I am reading that number from user. Then I had taken that number. I am checking now if is the same keyword we are using in C programming will be used here. If is a keyword, that's why it is highlighted over here. If space square bracket space, I am taking number space minus GT. GT stands for greater than. What I'm taking here, if a number is greater than 0, then number is positive. Am I right? If number is greater than 0, the number is positive. Then echo number is positive. End of if. What I am writing here, जैसे कि हम if लिखते हैं, मैंने कुछ condition लिखी, ठीक है, फिर मैंने क्या किया, start, this is the entry and this is the set of statements we are having in if. So for entry के लिए हम curly braces use करते हैं, and scripts we are using then, right? And for exit of if we are using phi, that is fi, opposite of if. So this is what I had written over here. If number is greater than 0, then number is positive and close of if. I'm just using here if only. To enter any number, I'm giving a number 5. Number is positive. So if I'll give, run this again, enter a number, if I'll give -5, nothing will be displayed. So I had written, मैंने क्या किया, अब यहाँ पर एक else statement भी दी. I am writing else echo number is negative, right? Then close of if, then run this, enter any number 5, it will show you a positive number, right? Enter any number, I am writing -7, the number is negative number, right? Now I want to use ladder if else. Do you know what is ladder if else? When I am using if else inside if else, that is ladder if else. Like if I am writing if condition, if this condition is true, this set of statements will execute, right? Then I am writing next if else if some condition. याद रखो जहां पर भी हम if यूज करते हैं उसके साथ कंडीशन आती है, ठीक है? फिर some set of instructions will execute, otherwise else this set of instruction will execute. This is ladder if else. You know now syntax of ladder if else. If I am using if else inside if else, that is a ladder if else I am having. So what I am using here, I am writing else if space condition I am giving again, if number is less than 0, number is negative, where if number is less than 0, number is negative. So I need to write here then. Else if, जहां पर भी if start करेंगे then keyword will be used, and with else there is no need to write then keyword. Fine, number is negative, then echo number is negative, else print if number is not negative, number is not positive, then number is 0, right? And this is close of if. Fine. Now let us run this program. Enter any number. I have entered 7. Number is positive. Again run for the negative number. I have entered -2. What is missing? Okay. I have entered -2. number is negative, then I have entered 0, number is 0. Are you getting? So this is the syntax of if else, how we are using if else in the shell script. Is it clear with everyone? How to use if else? Okay. Now this is your turn to write down some scripts here by using if else. I'm giving you some scripts. Do those scripts and let me know over here. First script. Give me a minute. I'm giving you. Do it. These three scripts you need to complete. Do it. First script is to check a given number is even or odd number. Second one is to check a given number is positive or negative number, that I have already done. And third one is find the largest number between three numbers. So you will skip this one, and instead of this, perform this one. Very परफॉर्म these three scripts. पहले दो परफॉर्म करो, तीसरी में क्या करना है आपको? You need to generate a mark sheet for a student in which take the subjects, three subjects, means take the marks of three subjects, calculate the total marks, percentage, and class obtained or the grade obtained by the student. You can write here grade. Fine. Do it. Very easy. Complete these scripts, and whenever you will complete, comment here in the comment section. First one is done. Who have done the first script? Ankit, Chintan, Darshit. Ankit, have you done? चिंतन अंकित डू इट फास्ट जब तक तीनों स्क्रिप्ट नहीं करोगे ना जाने नहीं दूंगी लैब से दर्शित यस दर्शित ज्वलंत महिमा the persons to whom I'm asking they are not responding yes do it to the second one Yes, whosoever is done second. Second is done. Can you explain second? Okay. In second one, what you need to do here is you need to find the largest number between three numbers. For example, three numbers are given to you, like 1, 2, or 8. So in between three numbers, you need to find out the largest number, right? For example, it is given 8, 2, 5, or 4. So which one is largest? Number 1 is largest. So what you will check, you will compare the number 1. You will check either the number 1 is greater than number 2 and number 1 is also greater than number 3. So number 1 is greater? If this is true, if these two conditions are true, number 1 is largest amongst all, right? Now if number 2 is greater than number 1 and number 2 is greater than number 3, at that time number 2 is largest, fine. Otherwise number 3 is largest. Is it clear, Nidhi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is how you will find which is the largest number between three numbers. This is the concept. I had just explained the logic. Just implement this logic in the form of script. Whosoever is done with the first and second scripts, show me to your screens. Yes, show me your screens. Yes, Rutvi, show me your screen. Jenny, do the second one. Start doing it. Rutvi, show me your screen.
Ma'am, you are already presenting the screen, so.
Okay, let me stop. Share your screen now. Number 1, number 2, and number 3, largest number. Which one is the largest number?
Ma'am, I am getting an error.
Show me, na? Show me the error. You have just compared a largest number line in line 10. Show me the line 10. else if after a square bracket you need to give there a space in line 10.
Okay, ma'am.
सेव करो उसको पहले फिर रन करो. हाँ. आपने प्रिंट किया? ओके. नंबर इज 4. गुड. First is also done, Lutvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, try to do the third one. Yes, Sham, show me your screen. Sham. Sham is absent. First done. बच्चे इतनी देर से आपने एक ही किया है. What are you doing? Show me the first one, Sham. Show me your screen. Yes, Sham, show me your screen. Take the snapshot of your code and send me on the WhatsApp. Okay, so I think first and second, two of the scripts have been done by everyone. So third one we will continue in the next lab session. And I have shared one of the lab manual format with you in your Google Drive. Check that format and complete your lab manuals by end of today. The scripts you have done in the last session and today's sessions, make sure that you will follow that format only and complete your scripts and upload your lab manual by end of today only in your folders. Is it clear? Yes. So we are closing this lab session here with this.